Hey guys, Arjun this side from Gossipfunda, and today I'll show you that how you can share screen on your Discord. First of all, we will discuss about what is Discord. Discord is a free voice, video and text chat service which is used by tens of millions of people to talk and hang out with their community and friends. Conversation on Discord are driven by people who share similar interests. Discord is a service which mainly tries to connect people from all over the places. Now, let's jump into our topic that how to share screen on Discord. For that, we need to move forward to our computer screen. Alright guys, first you need to search for the Discord. Now, go to this and now open Discord. If you haven't logged into the Discord, you have to sign up for a new account and then go to your own server. Now, to be able to share your screen, make sure that you are on a voice channel. Now you can see that you are on a voice channel now, and if you can see at the bottom left corner, you can see a small option of screen which says share your screen. Select that. And now you can see that it says what type of screen do you want to share. Do you want to share the entire screen, or do you want to share just the window, or do you want to share the Chrome tab? In this case, we're going to select the entire screen. Select this and then select share. Now you can see that your stream has been started, but your screen is not getting shared now. To be able to share your screen, you need to select this option, turn on camera. And now you can see that your screen is getting shared. To full screen it, double tap on it. Now you can see this side is showing that what you're sharing on your screen, and this side shows what is on your camera. In my case, my camera is not working, so this shows just this green image. And we can hide this. And if we wanted to stop streaming, or let's say stop sharing our screen, we can select this option. And if we wanted to stop our camera to record, we can select this like this. And now you can see that our camera is off now, but our screen is still getting shared. Now you can see there is an option of mute and unmute. You can mute and unmute yourself. And the fourth and last option is to disconnect. If you wanted to disconnect, you can just click on that. Now you can turn this full screen and then turn this full screen, and now you can see whatever you share on your screen comes on this side. Now minimize it. So this is how you can share your screen on the Discord. And if you now don't want to share your screen anymore, and if you want to stop your stream, all you want to do is just select disconnect, and it will just disconnect you from your stream. Now you can go to your voice channel and you can see there is no screen being shared from your side. So now I've just showed you that how you can share screen on your Discord account. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and if you need videos on any other topic, please do let us know and comment down below any of your query. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you wanted more content like this, please get yourself notified and hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to check our blog, which is on gossipfunda.com. You can find many more other solutions in that blog page which can be really helpful for you. And also don't forget to check the link in the description. Thank you.